Welcome to Nature Select. This is Evelyn. How can I help you? I can help you out with the reorder today. Did you want to do the same thing as last time? Maybe add some treats? Okay, so same thing as last time, our classic. Okay, we'll use the card on file and ship it out today for you. Thanks, have a great day.
All of us here at Nature Select have taken pride in our products and personalized customer service approach to all our customers coast to coast. We have a passion for pets' health and for providing excellence to all Nature Select customers past and present. For almost a quarter of a century, we have worked hard to build trust in our brand that will help keep your pets safe and help them live a long and happy life. We welcome you to try Nature Select pet food today.